Whenever we talk about food or say food companies, we Indians always think about the brands such as McDonald's, Domino's or KFC. We always convey them as one of the largest food brands of India. However, for your kind information, they are not the actual biggest food companies of India. Actually, we have an Indian brand who has surpassed all these other companies and has become one of the India's largest snack seller and also selling its products in over 80 different countries all across the world. Yes friends, you have heard right. It is none other than Haldirams. Hello everyone, Namaste. I hope you are safe and secure. It's me Mayankara and you are watching Mayankara. This video is going to be the most inspiring videos for the youth and the upcoming generations of India. The story of Haldirams will teach you that everything is possible in this world. It is through your dedication and hard work that will take you towards your success. So friends, please watch this video till its end and also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon if you are really enjoying watching this video. Haldirams is an Indian multinational sweet, snacks and restaurant company headquartered in Nagpur, Maharashtra. It was founded by Ganga Bhishan Agrawal, fondly known as Haldiram ji by his mother. Haldiram dreams of establishing this business dates back to 1919 when he was only 11 years old. At that time, he used to work in his father's Bhujia shop and it was in demand at that time and almost every seller in the market used to sell it. The only competition was of money, because every seller's Bhujia had the same taste and quality. However, Haldiram ji was not satisfied by the taste and the business model, and he wanted to make the Bhujia that would be unique in the market by its taste and quality. So to achieve this, he started to make Bhujiyas with different ingredients, and after many failed attempts, he finally succeeded in making different kinds of Bhujia, the kind that the people of Bikaner had never tasted. Here's the three main changes that he made to his Bhujia to look different or taste different from the others. Number 1. He started making his Bhujia with more beans rather than using the gram flour, which changed its taste and make it more crispy. Number 2. He changed the rate of Bhujia from 2 paise per kg to 5 paise per kg to make Bhujia a premium product in the eyes of buyers. Number 3. He set his Bhujia's name as Donger Save over the name of Bikaner's king that served as a brand and also made people started believing it as a premium product. Haldiram's Donger Save became popular among the masses and its sales reached the sky. And finally, in 1946, Haldiram started its first shop in Bikaner where he started selling his Bikaneri Bhujia and established his business, which is now known by his name. In the 1960s, the Agrawal family was divided into 3 parts. Each lived in the city of Bikaner, Nagpur and Kolkata respectively. At that time, the company was being headed by Shiv Kishan Agrawal, the grandson of Haldirams. Their business in Kolkata and Bikaner was running very well. However, Shiv Kishan had to struggle a lot in Nagpur. This is because in the 1960s, there was no demand of Bhujia not only in Nagpur but in the entire Maharashtra. So Shiv Agrawalji organized the market research and surveyed the entire Nagpur market. Through the survey, he found 2 big opportunities for the market. Number 1. The people of Maharashtra were not much known about different snacks, and number 2. There was a huge gap in the sweet market and there were only few sweets available for the people of Nagpur. So after the survey, he launched his favorite Kanju Katli in the market and started giving out free samples to the people of Maharashtra. Due to this strategy, Kanju Katli became famous in Nagpur within just few days. People loved the taste and the sales started reaching into the new heights. He then introduced many other sweets of Kolkata and Bikaner in Nagpur and increased the sale by around 400%. And soon after later, he introduced the South Indian food just like dosa, sambar, idli and the snacks such as samosa, chole bhature, kachori among the people of Nagpur. Haldiram is also known for its best quality packaging of its product. It was all started during 1990s. During the 1990s, snack businesses does not sell a product with the proper packaging. Haldiram was the first Indian company to give priority to the packaging and the proper presentation of its snacks. It was the Manohar Lal Agrawal who inspired the modern day packaging methods such as zip pouch, standy pouch packaging and 4-layer structure flexible packaging. This not only increases the brand value of the company but also made the brand trustworthy and more popular among the masses. After expanding to Nagpur and in Delhi, they started restaurants in major cities in India as well as in many foreign countries. By 1993, Haldiram started exporting its products to around 50 different countries, including USA, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Japan, etc. And by 2003, Haldiram gained the certification of the most trustworthy company in India. In 2017, this company has got a tag of India's largest snack company and left many domestic and international businesses behind. If you are thinking that Haldiram is only about Bhujia and Namkeen, then you are absolutely wrong. You will be surprised to know that Haldiram serves around 400 different products in their restaurant and in their different retail shops. Their product range includes different Indian and foreign snacks such as Indian sweets, Indian snacks, ready-to-eat foods, various cookies and pickles. No doubt, Haldiram is dominating the whole Indian market like a king. And did you know, friends, the company's yearly consumption of ingredients is just fascinating. Haldiram's restaurant consumes up to 4 billion liters of milk, 62 million kgs of potatoes, 60 million kg of pure ghee and around 80 million kilograms of pure butter. And that's crazy. Starting from the streets of the small town in Rajasthan to start selling its products all across the world. Even after having the Indian snack in its menu, Haldiram nowadays used to serve in around more than 80 different countries. Today, Haldiram's valuation is around $3 billion and it was all due to the efforts of the 3 generations of Agrawals. From selling Bhujia to setting up the multi-billionaire company, Haldiram is one of the biggest brands in India. The company has grown over the tremendous pace over the years and there's no stopping ahead. That was the story of Haldiram. Thanks for watching. Friends, that is the end of the video and I hope that you have found this video informative. If you have really enjoyed watching this video, then please make sure to like this video and also share this video with your friends and family members. And if you are watching the video for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the every updates of my new videos. Thank you everyone.